Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add pages on Shopify. Let's get started. So what you can do is you can click on your online store and then it will expand your menu. You can see in here the option for pages. Now once you have done that, you can click on this add page and then you can name your page right here. Just adding here the title. For me, I'll just name it return policy. Now you can add in here the content of that particular page, but you can also use this generate text, which is an AI that can aid you with this. So I'll put in here the title of my page and click on generate. And once I have done that, it will generate the content of this page for me. So you can just wait for this to finish loading process. It will show you what it will look like just like this one. So click on keep and as you can see, it's been added right here. Now this is what it will look like. So let me just put this capital R, then make sure that it's visible and you can use the theme template, which is default page. Click on the save option right here. Once you have done that, click on this navigation and then in here you can see in here menu. Click on this main menu and for this one, let's click on this add menu item. Now let's click on this search right here and then let's put in here our return policy. Now let's click on this return policy search result. Click on this add, click on the save option, and as you can see, it's been added right here on our return policy. You can click on edit right here if you want to edit it that however you want. But this page has been successfully added to our Shopify. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.